Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send mass emails in Zoho CRM step by step. This feature allows you to send the same email to multiple contacts or leads at once, which is useful for announcements, promotions, or updates. Let's get started. Zoho CRM allows users to send bulk or mass emails directly to contacts, leads, or deals stored in the CRM. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Log in to Zoho CRM. Go to the Zoho CRM website and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see different modules like leads, contacts, and deals. Step 2. Open the contacts or leads module. Choose the module where your recipients are stored. For example, click on Leads if you want to send emails to leads, or click on Contacts if you want to send emails to your saved contacts. Step 3. Select the records. Now you will see a list of contacts or leads. Use the checkboxes next to each record to select the people you want to email. If you want to send to many people, you can also use filters or select multiple records. Step 4. Click the Send Email or Mass Email option from the top menu. This will open the Email Composer. Step 5. Choose or create an email template. You can either choose a saved email template or write a new email from scratch. Using templates is recommended if you send similar emails frequently. Step 6. Write your email. Add the subject line and email content. You can also include personalization fields, such as the recipient's name. For example, you can automatically insert the contact's first name into the email. Step 7. Preview and test. Before sending the email to everyone, preview the message. Send a test email to yourself to make sure formatting and links look correct. Step 8. Send the mass email. Once everything looks good, click Send. Zoho CRM will send the email to all selected contacts. Important tip: make sure your email settings and sending limits are configured correctly in Zoho CRM to avoid delivery issues. And that's it. That's how you send mass emails in Zoho CRM step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical CRM tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.